You're welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely tomato sauce. Yes, this is one sauce you will enjoy and your family will be so happy with you. Let's dive into the video. For this tomato sauce, you need your cabbage, celery leaf, and you need your green beans, carrots, fresh tomatoes, and so many other things I'll show you later. So first, I'm going to wash my fresh tomato very well. I'll take my time to remove out the bad ones. Yes, it's important you don't add any bad one. Anyone that has already started melting like this, please remove it so that it will not change the taste of your sauce. After washing, I'll be cutting into pieces. You can say I washed up to 3 to 4 times before I start cutting. So I'll be cutting it this way into pieces. I'll take my time to cut. So after cutting this, I will go ahead to dry it. I'm going to dry the water out. This is a day before the day I'm making the sauce on Sunday morning, so I'm cutting this in the night so that if I dry it will be easier for me the next day. So this is very fine, very easy. So you see how beautiful they are looking. So right now I'll dry. You see I'm drying it. So for the chicken, I washed all the chicken. I'm going to sauce it with my ingredients. First, I'll be using Amawanda curry. After saucing this chicken, it will go straight to my fridge or freezer. Anyone you have, you can put. So I'm putting it inside my freezer till the next day when I'll be cooking. I'll be adding Beni and Kitchen Glory. These are the spices I love so much. Kitchen Glory. So after, I'll add my seasoning cubes. And I'll go ahead to add some little salt. And even my fresh pepper, I have fresh, but this is thyme, I have not added, so I'll add a little thyme. The salt. I will take my time to mix this together. Yes. I'm using my spatula to mix it together before I add the pepper. I'm done. Straight to my freezer till the next day. I'm cooking 1 plate of rice. This rice is for a meeting. Let me just call it party rice. So due to you don't know the strength of the rice on the market, so I usually do this: add hot water to the rice and stir together and allow for up to 15 to 20 to 25 minutes before I wash it out and use. But today I'm making white rice, so I'm adding the hot water first. So I will cover and set aside. Here are the ingredients, full ingredients for this. First, this is my ketchup tomato I'll be using. This is the normal ketchup I have before now. Here is my salt. This is garlic and ginger paste I blended. This is kidney beans. I bought the dried and cooked myself. This is celery leaf I've already cut. Here is my carrot. Sorry, my cabbage and my seasoning cubes, my kitchen glory and Benny. And I also have my tomato that I dried already, and carrot and green beans. You have seen them here already. And what else? My vegetable oil. Everything is set now, so it's time to prepare our socks. Here I'm boiling the rice. When the rice is ready, I have to remove the water and dry it out. It's ready here, so I remove the water and dried it out. The rice is ready, so I will pack it in a little cooler. That the cooler I'm going to send it out with, and that is all for the rice. Back to my chicken, I brought it out early in the morning to defrost. You can see how it's looking, so I'll set it on fire immediately. So I'll be adding my fresh onions and garlic and ginger paste I've already blended together. I'm going to add right in, and I'll cover to cook. Allow to cook for a while, and I will open the pot again and pour in my fresh tomato. Here's the fresh tomato I dried. So I pour it in. Now go ahead to add my vegetable oil. Now stir together and allow to cook. I'm adding up more spices to it, my kitchen glory and Mivena. You can also check for salt and pepper if you're okay with it. Allowed it to boil for a while, and I opened the pot and add in my ketchup tomatoes. added more vegetable oil to it and I allowed to cook. Added extra pepper to it. You can see the pepper. I added more because it's already blocked. I added more and I allowed it to cook. Opening the pot again, I added my kidney beans. More fresh onions to our sauce. Added all my celery leaf I already cut. Celery leaf I've already cut. So stir together and allow to cook. So I opened the pot again and added my vegetable, the carrot and green beans. And I will stir it and I'll also allow it to cook. Lastly, I'll be adding my cabbage. Immediately I add it, I'll allow it for 5 minutes and I will remove off the heat. Wow, you can see how beautiful the sauce is looking. See, if you have not tried this before, you have to try this. Your family will thank you a million times. My husband ate this for the first time. Since then, he don't joke with this. So try it and you'll come back to thank me later. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please join the lovely family. I cook, I bake, I do so many pastries. You have a lot to learn in this channel. Just click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I post new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I appreciate you once again for coming back. So thanks a million for watching. Thanks. Bye.